Good morning. Heck is this crap? Hey Cheetos, what are you doing to help the environment? What are you doing to clean up what people do to your creation? Do you even care? Or is it more about the chemical compositions, human embryonic kidney cells put into the food? Not sure if you can even see that. Natural and artificial flavors. In other words, made with genetic engineering. Sometimes it says that on the package. Yellow 6. Look at what yellow 6 does to the brain. Dude, there's another one. Human. So much trash everywhere, just on this little marina thing. You are somebody, isn't that who you always want to be? So when you're saying somebody should pick up the trash, somebody should do this. You are somebody. Isn't that who you always wanted to be?